Welcome back to Best Solution 220. Today we are talking about brand new Grow a Garden 2026 updates, fresh gems rewards, and possible new code drops that many players are waiting for right now. A lot of players are staying awake late at night just to check for new Grow a Garden gems codes. Sometimes new rewards appear without warning, and the players who find them first get a big advantage in the game. Some rewards may only be available for a short time, so this is the best moment to stay updated. Watch this video carefully from beginning to end. New codes will be shared in this video, so don't skip any part. Codes are voice only, so listen carefully and stay until the end. The final reward mentioned in this video could be one of the rarest gems rewards from the latest Grow a Garden update. Many players still don't know about it yet. If you want more Grow a Garden gems updates and new rewards, like the video, subscribe to Best Solution 220. Comment Garden for the next update. Turn on notifications so you never miss new rewards. See you in the next video.